On the edge of the Arctic, where the Earth breathes fire beneath frozen skies, Iceland awakens. A land sculpted by heat and shaped by ice, where every horizon tells the story of creation. Glaciers stretch across the land like ancient rivers of frozen light. Their surfaces crack and shift, revealing shades of blue found nowhere else on Earth. At J. ice breaks free from the glacier and drifts into a silent lagoon. Each fragment carries the memory of centuries, floating gently toward the open sea. Along the shore, clear ice rests on black volcanic sand. Sunlight turns each piece into a shard of glass, a fleeting sculpture shaped by the tide. Beyond the glaciers, the land changes. Lava fields stretch to the horizon, their dark surfaces marked by the Earth's fiery pulse. Here, creation is not a memory. It is happening beneath every step. In geothermal valleys, the ground comes alive. Steam rises from hidden chambers, and boiling springs paint the Earth with colors born from deep within the planet. Waterfalls descend from cliffs carved by ancient ice. Their constant roar fills the air, and mist drifts across the land like a living veil. On the southern coast, waves crash against basalt pillars that rise like guardians from the sea. Black sand stretches beneath a sky of shifting clouds, a coastline shaped by wind and storm. In the highlands, the land reveals its wildest colors. Mountains glow with shades of red, yellow, and green, and warm rivers wind through valleys untouched by time. When night falls, the sky becomes a canvas of moving light. The aurora drifts across the darkness, painting the heavens with green fire that flickers above the silent land. Iceland is a world of contrasts, where fire meets ice, where darkness meets color, and where the Earth reveals its raw, untamed beauty. This is Iceland, a land shaped by the elements, and alive with the power of creation. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more cinematic travels across our beautiful planet.